How's it going, guys? Today we're looking at TOPS, TOPS. Got a little pumped up pre-market, sold off, and it ended up closing at 27. Very good close. Going right ahead into resistances and supports. First one up there at the high of the pre-market. And then where it stopped today, right there at 30. If it could stay above 23 cents, that'd be great looking for the future. Good uptrend from last Wednesday. If you guys remember back in March when it went from 7 cents all the way up to 63 cents. What a move. If it can break the levels at 30, 31, 34 is the next up resistance. Alright guys, that was ticker symbol TOPS. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, comment down below. Definitely subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.